When people think about improving fertility or boosting testosterone, they usually jump straight to supplements, pills, or workout programs. But the truth is, some of the most effective solutions are hidden in the foods we see every day, especially nuts. Nuts are small but incredibly nutrient-dense. They contain essential fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals that directly influence hormone balance and sperm health. Many men eat them casually without realizing how powerful they can be for reproductive wellness. Today, we'll look at 5 of the best nuts for boosting sperm count, improving motility, and supporting natural testosterone levels, and why most men ignore them. 1. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the most researched nuts when it comes to male fertility, and for good reason. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, selenium, folate, and plant compounds that directly support sperm production and testosterone balance. Omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fats found in fish, help increase blood flow to the reproductive organs and improve sperm morphology, meaning the sperm are formed correctly, swim properly, and survive longer. Poor blood flow is one of the most overlooked causes of low sperm quality, and omega-3s tackle that directly. A well-known UCLA study found that men who ate about 75 grams of walnuts daily for 12 weeks had significantly higher sperm vitality, motility, and morphology compared to those who didn't. Another follow-up analysis showed improved DNA integrity, a sign that walnuts may help protect genetic material during sperm formation. These nuts also reduce oxidative stress. Free radicals can damage sperm DNA and lower testosterone production, but the antioxidants in walnuts, especially vitamin E and polyphenols, act like a shield, keeping those delicate cells stable. Adding them to your diet is simple. You can snack on a small handful a day, crush them into oatmeal, sprinkle on yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Just avoid heavily salted or candied versions. The raw or dry roasted kind gives the most benefit. 2. Almonds. Almonds are nutrient powerhouses. They're rich in vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, and healthy monounsaturated fats, all essential for reproductive function and hormonal balance. Vitamin E, often called the fertility vitamin, protects sperm cell membranes from oxidative damage. Stronger membranes mean sperm that move faster and survive longer inside the reproductive tract. Zinc, naturally present in almonds, is one of the most important minerals for testosterone synthesis. A deficiency in zinc has been linked to reduced sperm count, lower libido, and hormonal imbalance in men. Almonds also contain the amino acid arginine, which helps the body produce nitric oxide, a compound that improves blood circulation, including to the reproductive organs. Better circulation supports stronger erections and healthier sperm transport. They're also high in magnesium, which helps regulate testosterone levels and improve sleep quality. 2 key factors in overall male health. Eating around 10 to 15 almonds per day can help maintain hormonal balance. To preserve the nutrients, stick with raw or lightly roasted almonds without added sugar or salt. You can add them to salads, grind them into almond butter, or soak a few overnight and eat them in the morning. A traditional method believed to enhance nutrient absorption. Number 3. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts don't get enough credit. They're among the richest natural sources of selenium on the planet. A single nut can contain 70 to 90 micrograms, nearly your entire daily requirement. Selenium is crucial for sperm production, testosterone synthesis, and protecting cells from oxidative stress. Studies show that men with low selenium levels often have poor sperm motility and abnormal shapes, while those who consume enough selenium see notable improvements in both sperm quality and count. It also supports the enzymes involved in testosterone creation, making it a 2-in-1 nutrient for fertility and hormone health. Brazil nuts are also rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and small amounts of zinc, which all work together to enhance reproductive function. However, moderation is key. Because selenium accumulates in the body, eating too many Brazil nuts can lead to toxicity. 1 or 2 nuts per day is ideal, enough to get the benefits without the risks. Combine them with other nuts for variety and balance. Number 4, pistachios. Pistachios might look small, but they pack a potent mix of protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats that directly benefit reproductive health. What sets them apart is their high content of L-arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide production, helping blood vessels relax and improving circulation throughout the body, including the pelvic region. Better blood flow not only supports erectile function, but also ensures that the testes receive enough oxygen and nutrients to produce healthy sperm. Several studies have linked regular pistachio consumption to improved erectile performance and increased libido, likely due to this improved circulation and reduced cholesterol buildup in blood vessels. Pistachios also contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as antioxidants that protect sperm cells from damage. Their combination of potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats also helps regulate testosterone by keeping lipid levels balanced. A daily portion of about 30 grams, roughly a small handful, of unsalted pistachios is enough to provide steady benefits. You can enjoy them as a snack, toss them on salads, or mix them into yogurt or oatmeal. Number 5, cashews. Cashews are another overlooked ally in men's health. They're rich in zinc, magnesium, copper, and healthy fats, 3 nutrients directly linked to testosterone production and sperm development. Zinc especially is critical for both sperm count and motility. It's involved in every stage of sperm creation, and deficiency is one of the leading causes of infertility worldwide. Magnesium in cashews supports testosterone regulation and aids in the body's ability to convert cholesterol into active hormones. Cashews also contain plant antioxidants like polyphenols and carotenoids, which protect sperm cells from oxidative damage and support cellular energy production, vital for sperm motility. They even play a role in mood regulation and stress control, thanks to their magnesium and tryptophan content. And since stress hormones like cortisol can suppress testosterone, cashews indirectly help by keeping your nervous system calm and balanced. Eating about 10 to 12 cashews per day is enough for consistent benefits. Choose unsalted, plain varieties to avoid excess sodium. You can mix them into rice dishes, snack on them raw, or add them to smoothies for a creamy texture. Each of these nuts contributes something unique, but together they cover nearly every nutrient your body needs for healthy sperm and stable testosterone levels. Walnuts and almonds deliver omega-3s and vitamin E for protection. Brazil nuts provide selenium for sperm structure. Pistachios improve blood flow, and cashews supply zinc and magnesium to maintain hormonal balance. You don't need to eat them all at once. Instead, rotate or combine them through the week to keep your nutrient levels consistent. A simple fertility mix, a handful of walnuts, a few almonds, 1 Brazil nut, some pistachios, and a few cashews makes for a powerful mid-morning snack or a pre-workout boost. But even the best foods can't work in isolation. The body needs the right environment to use these nutrients effectively. Staying hydrated helps maintain blood volume and hormone transport. Balanced meals provide the protein, fiber, and micronutrients that support testicular function. Sleep plays a huge role too. Testosterone levels peak during deep, restorative sleep, and even mild sleep deprivation can lower them. Managing stress is equally important. When cortisol remains high for too long, it suppresses testosterone and interferes with sperm development. Regular exercise, especially resistance training, helps the body naturally produce testosterone and improves overall circulation. Pairing that with nutrient-dense nuts creates a synergy between diet and movement. When you combine these simple habits, hydration, rest, exercise, and a handful of the right nuts, you're not chasing a quick fix. You're rebuilding your foundation for long-term vitality, energy, and reproductive balance from the inside out. Most men overlook these nuts because they seem too simple to make a difference. But the truth is, nature doesn't overcomplicate solutions. A handful of the right nutrients, taken consistently, can shift your energy, fertility, and hormone health in powerful ways. Small choices add up. Start with 1 handful a day and let your body do the rest.